Fire has always been very important to people. Elders have said we cannot live without fire. Fire is spiritual, and its power is very significant to all people. Fire have to be respected. The elders are knowledgeable. They demonstrate why we need fire and how we use fire. Fire connects to the people and everything on earth. When people make camp, the first thing they do is make fire, no matter what season, to warm up, make tea, and cook food. When we make an offering to the fire, we talk to the fire. Masicho for everything that it offers to us. Campfire draws people together. Fire sends message and signs to travelers. The beautiful color flames brighten up the land. The warmth of the fire creates shapes of soothing, warm, healing, and natural connection. Fire guides us and helps us survive. My father-in-law said that when they were traveling back from the barren land with dog team, they lost their trail because of the blizzard. White out. The dogs scented fire smoke. They followed the scent of the smoke and found the trail. The smoke guided them back to their camp that night. Where there is fire, there's always a scent of smoke and heat. It draws people who get lost back to their trails. A child is given strength from the fire. When the elder waves the smoke on the child responds by crying. The fire smoke is healing. It has special aroma which energizes the body. Fire draws away fear, negative feeling, and sickness. Masi.